Welcome to day 2 of the 30 days meditation challenge. We will be meditating for 2 minutes together. Today, we continue to focus on our breath, inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 1, exhaling for 5 counts, and holding for 1. I would like to invite you to notice the tip of your nose. Notice how the air around the tip of your nose is slightly cooler as you inhale and warmer as you exhale. Start by settling into a comfortable seated position on a chair or cross-legged on a cushion. Make sure your back is upright but not overextended. Your shoulders are nice and relaxed. You can choose to open your eyes to a nice soft gaze or gently close your eyes. Let us begin. First, exhale completely, and let's inhale together for 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Hold. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Hold. Out 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Out. Hold on your own now. Now, bring your awareness to the tip of your nose. Notice how as you inhale it is slightly cool, as you exhale, slightly warm. Continue breathing on your own count. Well done! You have come to the end of the day 2 of the 30 days challenge. Are you wondering why we asked you to notice the feeling on your nose? We are introducing you to the process of mental noting. As you note a single point of focus, such as a change in temperature around your nose, it serves as a base for the meditation practice. This helps us stay mindful as we focus on the sensation and a base to return our focus to should our attention drift away during the practice. Have a mindful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.